Hey everybody, I'm Christian from Mindful Cuppa, and today we're going to do a short video tutorial on how to make Mursalski, Thyme and Rose. This is the blend that Elena was talking about in her video that goes really well with the cake that she baked. Before we start, we prefer to use a cafetiere. It allows the tea to infuse much better. So now on to the measurements. Right, so with thyme, you want to have about a heaped tablespoon in your hand like that. That's a good measurement. And in it goes. And about the same with Mursalski. Kind of pinch it out of your jar or whatever you use out of the packet, kind of like that, and then you got it. That's about the right amount. With the rose, you probably want to get about 3 or 4 buds, and then just give them a little pinch, and then sprinkle in. So what you're looking for, about that much. Okay, so this is what the tea looks like in the cafetiere. Now just to add the hot water. A handy little tip is make sure the minute you put the water in, to put the lid on. The reason being is that there's oils in the tea, and then they come out in the steam and then they fall back down into the tea once the lid is on. This is about 1 litre of water. If you leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes to brew and infuse, you can occasionally give it a little plunge just to create that little snow cone eruption, and that will make it much more flavoursome. Now when you pour it into the cup, let it cool down a little bit, and then the flavour of the flowers will come out, and it'll be much more intensified. Enjoy!